Hey everyone, it's your favorite teacher here, Mr. Frost. We are going to go over subtracting fractions where the one numerator is less than the other numerator. So for example, 2 here is less than 4. Let's go over it. Okay, so 6 and 2 fifths minus 3 and 4 fifths. So we know we have fifths here, right? But this doesn't show that. This shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here, the 6. And, 5 fifths. So let's take some of these away. And I just wanted you to see that that was fifths. So 6, 1 fifth, 2 fifths. Great. When we take this away, can we take away 4 fifths? A lot of us on the quiz, on the test, would have wrote that there are 2 fifths left. But we can't do that because we have to take away 4 fifths. So what do? We know that there are 6 whole ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're karate chopping one of them into fifths. So I'm going to divide it into fifths. Watch. Yes, very good. And to show you that these are fifths now, I am going to change that color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. Uh-oh. How many yellow ones do we have now? Not 6, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So taking that away, making it a 5. Ooh, nice little hat there. 5, and how many fifths do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So not 2 fifths, but now we have 5 and 7 fifths. We didn't take any away. We didn't add any. It's the same number, but now we borrowed one from the whole. Okay, so now we have to take away 3 and 4 fifths. Now we can take away 4 fifths. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many fifths do we have left? 1 fifth, 2 fifths, 3 fifths. Now how many wholes are we taking away? So we did the fifths. Now we're taking away 3 wholes. Very good. So 1 whole, 2 whole, and 3 wholes. And we also know that 5 minus 3 is 2. And we have 1 fifth, 2 fifths, 3 fifths left. If you don't need to do all of that, then all you need to do is think to yourself, I cannot do 2 minus 4. So I need to take one away from the whole, make it 1 less, and then add however many fifths. So 5 fifths, or 6 sixths, 7 sevenths, 1 whole worth. Alright, we're going to do a few more, 2 more. Stick with me. Oh my gosh. 17 and 4 tenths minus 8 and 13 tenths. Oh, that's some. It's not that much. Calm down. It's okay. So again, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. And how many tenths do we need? We need 4 tenths. So let's take some of these away. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. See you later. See you later. Thanks for coming up. See you later. And now we have 1, 2. Oops. Took away too many. I got excited. Now we have 4. So 4 tenths. So let's do it now. Can we take away 13 tenths from here? No, because we don't have 13 tenths to give. So what are we going to do? That's right. We're going to take 1 away from the 17. 17 becomes 16. And let's show that here. This is going to become 16 because divide shape. I have to cut that one now into tenths. And look at that. It's cut into tenths. And now to show that it's tenths, I will change the color again. 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7 tenths, 8 tenths, 9 tenths, 10 tenths. So where there were 4 tenths, now we're adding 10 tenths. So 10 plus 4 is... 10 plus 4 is 14. So now that becomes 14 tenths. Now in your head you might be thinking to yourself right away, oh, 14 minus 13 equals 1. And you're absolutely right. But remember to put that over a fraction, and our denominator stays the same. Now let's show what we did over here. Count with me. 1/10 by 2/10 by 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, 11/10, 12/10, 13/10. Fantastic. Just fantastic. So now we have 1/10 left, and that's what it shows. But now how many holes do we have? So now instead of 17, we do have 16 left. So let's count. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oop. So 16 minus 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have 8 and 1/10. Alright, play that back if that didn't make sense. And finally, to end on something that will make a lot more sense, we're going to do fourths. So 9 3/4 minus 6 4/4. 6 4/4 is really saying the same as 7, right? So let's see what we have here. So we can't do 3 minus 4 just yet. So you tell someone at home, what are you going to do? We're going to take away from the 9. Very good. So this is going to become an 8. Let's show again what that looks like. Dividing this into how many? What's our denominator? 4. So divide shapes into 4. Fantastic. To show that these are fourths now, we're going to change the color. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. Boom. So I took that one away because it was 3/4. Okay. So now we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4. See, again, we didn't change anything. We didn't take them away. We just karate chopped that 1 into fourths. Very good. So now we're going to take away 4/4. And you might know that 7 minus 4 is... Very good. 7 minus 4 is 3. And our denominator stays the same, which is 4. And let's just prove that, okay? So let's take away 4/4. Oh, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. It's almost like we didn't do anything, right? And now we're taking away how many holes? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So we have 2 and 3/4. 2 and 3/4. All right, hopefully that helps a little bit. Keep up the great work. You're all wonderful. Bye.